Now, today we are going to discuss the second part of Amazon keyword research via brand analytics and search keyword performance. In the first part, I tell you the difference in using in Amazon brand analytics. I will mention the part 1 link in the description of this video. So today, now we are going to discuss the difference in search query performance report and how to analyze it. So let's start the topic. So first of all, we need to go in Amazon search query performance report. Now we have to select our SN view and we select our SN. I have to blur that part due to some reason. Now, when we select the SN view, as Amazon released the feature of particular specific keywords, we can see the further on keyword level. So when I select this SN view and select the time range and period, this is 2023 first week. Now, when I selected this keyword and open in a new tab, then this will give me the particular keyword specific impression based top 10 essence. So against this keyword I have top 10 essence based on impressions. Amazon give me the essence according to this keyword or search term for the selected time period. Now I have these top 10 essence based on impressions. So, as you know that Amazon Search Query Performance Report considered the 24-hour time period data, and Amazon Brand Analytics does not consider this attribution of 24 hours period. So, when we are comparing the Amazon Brand Analytics and Search Query Performance Report, we have to consider this point also that so it also Amazon Search Query Performance also exclude the say, widgets, editorial recommendations also. So when we need to compare the result, we should keep in mind that point also. When we have the essence, either I can copy this essence one by one and put in Amazon Brand Analytics, or combine the top 10 essence like just like copy all these. But when we try to copy this data and paste into Excel or Google Sheet, it will not give me the proper formats, and we have to do some adjustment, and little things need to modify. So if I install the instant data scraper extension like this is instant data scraper, you can download it from Google Chrome store. So when I copy this and when I install this extension into my Google Chrome browser, so when I click this into any menu like this, it will scrap all the values and in specific format and give me the different values. Like for example, if I scrap these result, it will give me the essence and other data like this. You can download all or copy all and paste it into there, and then similarly this menu will appear in Seller Central. It is in different menus, but we can download these type of essence, and when I have the list, we can paste in Amazon Brand Analytics like in this manner. And if I for the example I am considering garlic press, I will write the keyword which is showing in Amazon Brand Analytics here, and all the all the top 10 SN based on impression which is Amazon showing, and I will put that there. Now Amazon search query performance give me the 24 hours time period data, but if I looking into the long term data based on this selected period and this specific assumption which used in search query performance and exclude this assumption and use brand analytics data. No, I have this data in the part 1. I already tell you that what is the difference in this data when we are using this search term here and the product essence here. So this is the one way we can use the search query performance SN into brand analytics way. Now come to the third part. We have the copied the search query performance report essence and copied into brand analytics and evaluate the way we want to view it. Now if I want to essence from page 1 and beyond, what can I do from this? For example, if I write our relevant keyword or whatever the keyword, I will click on helium and it will load into the extension, and I will download this extension, download these results CSV, and I copy this ASIN and paste into the brand analytics instead of here. I will keep the results from this. Either I can write the keyword or just paste the list of SN here and then select time period range, and there are multiple ways of angle to view this data. So I am giving you the angle how we can evaluate this data from these brand analytics. Now we have also the opportunity to explore the bestsellers data. For example, if I go to the bestseller category and from bestseller category, I have the list of the ASIN that can be compared in brand analytics also as well. For example, if I go to this listing of category of bestsellers garlic presses, now I have the list of the essence. Either I can search helium extension on this and download the CSV, or I can run the instant data scraper like previously, as I give you the example. When we click on this, the instant data scraper will collect all the essence, and when we download these type of essence and paste into brand analytics, we have also seen the result in this manner. Either we can write keyword or this. So in this way we can gather keyword from a top seller or best seller keyword or essence also. So in this video I just explained these four ways how can we evaluate the keyword research from these. As we consider this, now I am ending the video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel so that you get notified when a new video uploaded. So thank you for your time.